This video will help you solve problems involving the order of operations. So remember the order of operations. Please excuse my dear solid parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, and you do those in order that you see them in the problem, left to right, and then add, subtract, and you see those in order as you read the problem from left to right. So looking at some examples, find the value of each expression. 3 plus 6 times the quantity 5 plus 4 plus 3 minus 7. I'm going to start in the parentheses with the adding. So I'm going to combine together the 5 and the 4. That becomes 9. And I rewrite everything else from the start. Next, in this case, I would do the multiplying. 6 times 9 becomes 54. Rewrite everything else the way it looks. Now, everything is adding and subtracting, so I work my way across left to right. 3 times 54 is 50, or 3 plus 54 is 57. Rewrite everything else. 57 plus 3 is 60. And now 60 minus 7 gives me my answer, 53. Looking at the next problem, it's written as a big fraction. So I simplify the entire top, the entire bottom, and then save the dividing to the very last step. So in the numerator, I would start by multiplying 3 times 4, that becomes 12. At the same time in the denominator, I can do 9 divided by 3, which is 3. So my expression becomes 36 minus 12, divided by the quantity 15 minus 3. Back in the numerator, 34 minus 12 becomes 24. In the denominator, 15 minus 3 is 12, and now 24 divided by 12 becomes 2. Our next example, 7 plus the quantity 6 times 5 squared minus 3. In the parentheses, I would start with the exponent. Remember, 5 squared means 5 times 5, which is 25. Next in the parentheses, I would multiply. 6 times 25. That becomes 150. Still in the parentheses, now I would do the subtracting. 150 minus 3 is 147. And now I would add 7 plus 147, which is 154. Looking at our next example, we have brackets now. So remember, that means super parentheses. So in the bracket, I start with the parentheses 6 minus 3. Rewrite everything else the way it looks. So 6 times 6 minus 3 becomes 3. Now in the bracket, I would do the multiplying. 2 times 3 becomes 6. Rewrite everything else the way it looks. Still going in the bracket, now I would do 14 minus 6, which becomes 8. So my expression is 40 minus 3 times 8 divided by 2. Now I'm looking for multiplying and dividing. So next I would multiply 3 times 8 to get 24. And now I would divide. 24 divided by 2 becomes 12. And now I would subtract 40 minus 12 gives me 38. I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.